Good day, Miss Myra. I'm going to read an essay about agricultural application of carbohydrates and proteins. The building blocks of life, carbohydrates and protein, are two fundamental molecules essential for life, and their roles in agriculture are equally vital, and their compounds serve as the primary energy source and structural component for plants, animals, and microorganisms. Carbohydrates, primary sugar, and starch are the primary energy source for plants. Plants convert sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into glucose, a simple sugar, and this glucose is then used to synthesize complex carbohydrates like cellulose, which forms the plant cell wall, and starch, which is stored as an energy reserve. In agriculture, carbohydrates-rich crops like wheat, rice, and corn provide essential sustenance for humans and livestock, and also carbohydrates are crucial for soil health. Plants resides rich in carbohydrates decompose to form humus, which improves soil structure, water retention, and nutrient ability. Proteins, composed of amino acids, are the building blocks of life. They also play a crucial role in various biological processes that include enzyme cytolase, hormones, hormone signaling, and immune response. Also in agriculture, proteins are essential for plant growth and development. They are components of enzymes that catalyze biochemical reaction, hormones that regulate plant growth, and structural proteins that provide support carbohydrate and their journey as glucose, delivering energy for immediate we or storage as glycogen. Proteins break down into amino acids, building and repairing tissues while supporting essential circular functions.